from the Caribbean to Cape Town and beyond.
For safety marine information broadcast concerning a tropical storm watch, shift and listen to channel 22 Alpha or 1022, frequency 15.
In 10 minutes, I'm going to go down and do another visibility check. Just going to go down to the bottom real quick, check the visibility. It's been about 45 minutes since I last did so. Hopefully things have changed. Hopefully the incoming tide has pushed in a little cleaner water, but we don't know until we know. My breath about 8 seconds. Working on 9. Maybe by the end of the season. What do we got? Yeah, the thermocline has moved on. We still got some haze though from just these howling winds, I think, just turning everything up. But good news is thermocline's gone. Yeah, I think we're just getting into the edge of
a hammer right there.
Of it being diveable. So yeah, I think we get things going.
Yeah.
Let's go. Well, the best way to get some good interactions with them underwater is get a little smell going. Get a little blood, get them interested, but in a safe way. Safety first. All right, day 1. On site, Bimini, great hammerheads. Let's go down and see what's going on. We got a little bit of current going this way, so I'll probably be facing that way, but just keep an eye out.